In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail server error. First, we need to check if Gmail is down. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Workspace Status Dashboard. This dashboard provides real-time information about the status of various Google services, including Gmail. Once the page loads, look for the status of Gmail. If it indicates that Gmail is experiencing issues, then you are not alone. Many users may be facing the same problem. In this case, all you can do is wait for Google to resolve the issue. This step is crucial because knowing whether the problem is on Google's end can save you time and unnecessary troubleshooting. Once that is done, the next step is to refresh Gmail. Open your Gmail account as you normally would. Now look for the refresh button in your browser, or simply press the F5 key on your keyboard. This action forces your browser to reload the page. After refreshing, check if the error message you were seeing is gone. A simple refresh can sometimes resolve temporary glitches. If the error persists, don't worry. There are more steps we can take to get you back to your inbox. Now let's check your internet connection. Open a new tab and try to access another website like a news site or social media platform. If that website does not load, it indicates a connectivity issue. In this case, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Ensuring a stable internet connection is essential because Gmail requires a reliable connection for proper functionality. Once you reconnect, try accessing Gmail again to see if the error is resolved. Next up, we'll clear the browser cache and cookies. Open your browser settings, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the window. Look for an option labeled Privacy and Security. From there, find the option to clear cache and cookies. This step is important because accumulated cache and cookies can sometimes interfere with how Gmail operates. After clearing them, restart your browser to ensure the changes take effect. This step often resolves many issues, including server errors, by giving your browser a fresh start. After that, it's time to sign out and sign in again to your Gmail account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Gmail interface. Select the option to sign out. Once signed out, wait a moment, then sign back in using your credentials. This simple action can refresh your session and often resolves server-related errors. It's a quick fix that can make a big difference, so don't skip it. Now that you have signed back in, check if the server error has been resolved. If the issue persists after trying all these steps, it may be worth considering other factors such as browser compatibility or even reaching out to Google support. Remember, technology can be tricky, but with these steps, you have a solid approach to troubleshoot the problem effectively. By following these steps, you can diagnose and potentially fix the Gmail server error. Regular maintenance like clearing your cache can help prevent these issues in the future. Always ensure your internet connection is stable before jumping into more complex fixes. With patience and clear steps, you'll be back to your emails in no time. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.